Hello everyone and welcome, and today we're working on 7 best webinar software, the ultimate guide for choosing it. The first on our list is EverWebinar. This is EverWebinar, and what we do, there are so many advantages to EverWebinar. Now, you can get more signups and higher quality leads using EverWebinar. Let's quickly reload this page. Now, it helps deliver a lot of things, so let's look at it. Want to look at the features, so let's get started. So whatever webinar helps deliver the perfect webinar presentation over and over without ever being present, so you can automate your efforts and maximize your time with EverWebinar. All devices are in HD glory, high definition, 30 frames per second, high quality video and audio broadcasting, so no more pixelated streaming or choppy frame rates. Whether you're broadcasting your pre-recorded webcam, a screen share, PowerPoints, presentation or anything between, EverWebinar will do it in super high definition. It has flexible scheduling, on-demand webinars, so no more waiting, no scheduling, no delay, attendance, conversion through the roof. Just-in-time webinars, watch replay right away, join in progress. It's also ideal. It has it's a browser-based solution, no downloads, no hassle. Ideal for seamless user experience both for the presenters and the attendees. There is no plugins or apps to download or install, so minimizing user confusion and technical hiccups. So you can go from live to evergreen in one single click. Seamless import from Webinar Jam also. So EverWebinar and Webinar Jam seem to work together, as you can see here. So if you're a Webinar Jam user, you can also import a previous live webinar and convert it automatically into an evergreen event. So with the click of a button, absolutely everything will be replicated exactly as it happened live, second by second. Live session video, every chat line, every poll, every slide presentation, every product offer. Truly is an exact carbon copy of your live event. So it can be called replica replay, and it's simply amazing. One click platform swap, convert live to automated. So it's ideal for Webinar Jam users, turning a one-off live event into a recurring everlasting automated webinar. EverWebinar also supports live chats, where you can handle real-time questions while the presentation runs on autopilot, and live chat simulation, polls and surveys, easy split testing, active offers, full email and SMS system, analytics, dynamic attendance, gorgeous point and click landing pages, automated integrations, scale faster by allowing team members privileged access, automatically ban inappropriate words, monitor all webinar sign up from your inbox, get more signups and higher quality leads. And when you sign up, what is included is EverWebinar, free training, community, and unlimited support, and so much more. So let's look at the next one, which is our Click Meeting. Now, Click Meeting, here you get, the rules are quite simple. Yes, for Click Meeting, let's look at what you get: online meetings, live webinars, automated webinars, on-demand webinars, paid webinars, huge virtual events, multi-streaming, and you can view all the features. Let's view all the features, see what we get from it. Good. These are all the features, everything you can get from it. So like we said before, online meetings, on-demand webinar, automated webinars, paid webinars, huge virtual events, click conference, and under compare and promotion, features are custom branding, registration page, customized invitation, waiting room with agenda, under engaging interaction, screen sharing, whiteboard presentation, polls and surveys, moderated question and answers and private chat, stream on Facebook or YouTube. Click Meeting mobile application, Click Meeting desktop application, edu mode. In the statistics, files and recordings, we have webinar attendee statistics, performance rating, webinar recording. So let's look at the webinar recording, which is what we are concerned with. So nothing is lost. Record and share your webinars easily. Capture your online event with one click. Download it, play it, or share it with anyone. They can start for free. Webinar recordings can be useful for several reasons. Here are some of the benefits. It gives your audience the freedom to review material at their convenience. Create highly shareable content distributed via email, social media, and websites. Create reference material for internal use and build your events portfolio. Use event recording your automated thank you message, on-demand webinars, automated plans only. Within Click Meeting, you can find several ways to utilize the recording to point just some of them out. So how can you record a webinar? Start and stop recording with a click. Recordings are automatically saved in your account panel. Easily trim recordings if necessary. Manage and move your recordings between recording storage and archive storage. Download and export your recordings in MP4 format. You can also create an AI transcription with one click also. So record and share events hassle free. You can start for free here. Let's look at the pricing. Now on the pricing, we have this. We have the monthly plan and the annual plan. Now you must note that you pay for the number of events attendees, not for the available features. So the free trial gives only the option for 25 attendees, and while the live trial you have 25 attendees, you pay $26, but with increased number of attendees the price also goes up. So you have to check it to know the price for each. Same for automated, same for enterprise. You actually have to contact them to get those. So you get advisor support in each of this plan when you choose the plan. Live chat is available in English, German, Spanish, French, Russian, and Polish. The average response time is 1.5 minutes. You can arrange a live demo with the expert to get to know Click Meeting better. So many things to choose. Now, why even wonder why should I choose Click Meeting webinar app? Well, all the event types you need is within one account, and your marketing automation to support your work. More attendees, presenters, and fire events with add-ons and generate leads with no limit. So you can go through all this and see. Compare the prices if you want and the plans too. The next on our list is Livestorm. Now with Livestorm, you get unlimited license, limited events. You pay only for your Livestorm contacts. This is for planning. Let's start from the beginning. Now this is Livestorm. Here you can unlock any video conferencing use cases here. So stop boring product demos, get engaging product demos, online conferences and summits, employees training, live Q&A, podcast interviews, customers study better so you can check what customers have to say. With one platform you get an infinity of events. So streamline your budget, consolidate all your events in a single software. Try Livestorm for free, only 3 minutes away from your most engaging webinar meetings. Yes, it is that easy. So you can sign up for free, no credit card required, no software to install or get a live demo. So you do not pay. It is simple at heart, highly customizable, plug and play, actually safe, simple. You do not pay, it is free. It is more than just webinars. It is one unified platform offering all kinds of possibilities for hosting dynamic discussions, audience training, and the rest of them. 1-2 from start to finish. These are all the things you get. These are all the benefits you get and the features for Livestorm. It has it all. There with numbers speak from startup to enterprise. A lot of customers trust Livestorm to run efficient online events. Will you enjoy them and see for yourself? Next on our list is this one, Demio. Now Demio has flexible pricing plans for every business, but before the plans, let's look at why would you want to use Demio. Now it has webinar analytics, it has engagement features, customization, Demio AI boost, showcase customer support. You can also watch a demo integration, and it also has a integration and software comparison. Now what is Demio all about? Demio gives transparent webinar insights for data-driven marketers. Demio is built so you can host engaging experiences that turn into analytic insights, making you the most popular marketer in the room. So it delivers results you can see so clearly, and it is really good. So it has features that work for you, like attendee engagement, analytics, identify intent, and webinar ROI. It is built for your business growth, for marketing, sales, and customer success. It integrates better. You can check all the integrations here of the Conview integration. It is recommended. It is really good. Some of the top 50 sales products best software awards of 2022. So there's so much you can get from it. Now let's look at the pricing of the meal. So the pricing is here. We have the premium plan, starter plan, and the growth plan, and it all depends on the attendees growth. Now you're using starter plan, it's just for 50 attendees room, and you pay $45 a month paid yearly for a single host. But using the growth plan, it depends on number of attendees room. With 50 you pay $8 a month, with 500 it changes and it keeps on changing. So just click and find out how much. Same for the premium. The number of attendees room determine how much you pay. As simple as that. Next on our list is the go-to webinar or go-to meeting. Here you can host your first meeting. There's so many ways you can get safe, secure, worry-free meetings with secure content sharing, encrypted video, and encrypted audio. Now, you can be more productive with video conferencing features built for remote work using go-to. Now, you can join from anywhere on any device, on your desktop, your phone, or your tablet. Run the perfect video meeting. It has a powerful virtual meeting feature that makes it easy to plan, host, and learn for more productive meetings. So you have what you can the tools you use before the meeting, during the meeting, and after the meeting. It also has the smart meeting assistant, so you can say goodbye to note taking because the smart meeting assistant automatically transcribes meetings, marks meeting highlights, and pinpoints action items. Automatically captures multiple sets of presentation slides and places them in chronological order within a shareable PDF. Also integrate with your favorite tools like Slack, Outlook, Chrome, or Salesforce for a smoother, more convenient meeting experience. So try it out today. Next we have is Webinar Jam. So this is an AI-powered agenda that helps automate your webinar planning. It is very good also. It is the most powerful live and automated webinar platform. So it helps. The features include you can reach more customers with your message like about 1,000 customers, with 5,000 attendees up to 6 presenters. Can deliver it to them. It is ideal for anyone having an audience connect with a product to sell, a coaching program to share, a presentation to deliver. Alright, you can also deliver screen sharing tutorials or PowerPoint presentation in pixel perfect quality. It's all devices at HD glory, so great. It has live chat, it has scheduler, automated recordings, automated artist recordings, AI powered agenda, and so much more. So as for the pricing, let's see if we can find the pricing. There's no way for us to see the pricing right now, so let's click on get started and see if we can access the pricing from here. Okay, to avoid wasting our time, alright, it's already loading. Next on our list is Zoom. Alright, next on our list is Zoom. So for Zoom webinar, you get a chance to do so many great things. You get a chance to deliver your message, captivate your audience. Why choose Zoom webinars? Because it's simple, secure, and reliable. That's right. The flexible solution for every use case. Train your workforce, grow your audience, showcase your products, build customer relations easily. So you can host an unforgettable virtual experience for your attendees with Zoom. Host simple interactive webinar, sell the advantages of it, and let's look at the sales. How much for the webinar? Because that's what we're most interested in, the webinar aspect of it. And let's see, event and webinar. I see the plan. This is the price for it. For Zoom webinar, depends on the number of attendees. What needs to determine, and you have to download the Zoom Workplace Pro. So you can choose a monthly plan or an annual plan or a 1 month plan. That will determine what the price will be. I think you're gonna enjoy it. It's as simple as that. Hope you found it will be helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.